Hi, welcome or welcome back to another video. Today's video is very exciting. We are going to be discussing my journal ecosystem, which hold on, hold on. There we go. Journal ecosystem. Firstly, a little bit of background about journaling. I've been journaling on and off my whole life, which is a bit of an understatement considering the gap years I had. So the earliest journal I found was from fourth grade. Is basically it. And then there's one from 2020, which is the one I remember the most vividly. Like I remember writing in it a lot. One from 2023. Okay, so these journals, I was like, oh, let's start journaling. But then I'd drop it a couple of months in because I'd get bored. I don't know. This is the one I'd been recently journaling in. Or it used to be a to-do list in the beginning. More than regularly journaling, it was sort of like an important day, logging an important day, and that's what I want to say. This is all I've journaled in this book so far. Very, 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 very recently, sometime this Feb, I started my journey with the Artist Way. So that is my morning pages, which was cuter. I was planning on decorating it, but then that flopped. So far, this is how much I'm done with, which is pretty impressive. I've did it almost every day, and I immensely enjoyed it. It's really fun, very creatively boosting. I need to find new books for it. Preferably not hardcovers because they take up a lot of space, and they're so bulky every day. So yes, this is my scripting and manifesting journal. I've barely script. That is all. That is all I've done with it. It's fun. I really like it. This is one of my favorite journals too. And then this one is so funny. Oh wait, continuing with the artist way. This is for my exercises. So my weekly exercises. Let me show you a picture of my room I drew a while ago. Isn't she so cute? Self-deprecating in brackets. I mean, it is sort of cute, except I'm not really good at perspective art or any art at all. Which brings me to the illustration journal, which, by the way, isn't that so cute? Obviously, I picked it up just for the cover. And funnily enough, I've been wanting to pick up illustration for a long, long, long time now. Wait, I've been wanting to put these glasses on for so bad, but the glare is so terrible. I wanted you guys to see me in it once though. They make me look so good. What a shame. The glare is absolutely horrendous. Anyway, let's just take it off. Yes, I've been wanting to get into illustration for the longest time now, except it never happened. This was probably a sign. It's just a plain empty sketchbook ish. I don't, it's not that thick, like not sketchbook worthy thick paper. It is pretty thick. I have a grand total of one art piece inside. This was again another exercise for the artist way. So yeah, isn't she so cute? I'm gonna make an art piece out of it. I'm gonna make I'm gonna make prints out of it and sell. I do actually really like this. This originally, I think it's so cute, and the element of play is adorable. This originally started off as a matcha blossom inspired piece with Kojiro and Kaoru here, and then I don't know, it just became again them, moon and sun. I just kind of got bored from there. I drew a sea for the sake of it, and then I did the Saturn because I was like, let's just stick with the celestial theme. And I do love Saturn; it's one of my favorite planets. So Saturn, and then the tree for no reason. I was like, oh, we already have the sun, the river. Why not have a tree? So the tree too, and the spiral for the sake of it, and then a little cat, and then starfish in there. So again, Kaoru and Kojiro in the ocean this time. Use oil pastels for it. I do love it. It's still not dry. That just stuck to my fingers. Oops. That was very fun. I actually had a lot of fun doing that. I do want to use it more. Next, I want to attempt a swan piece, maybe with two swans. It's very cute. Love the sapphic imagery in it, obviously. This is a very exciting journal because I started recording my dreams in this, and it also delved into a sort of, this is like sort of like a commonplace book. I tried keeping a commonplace book, except I did a terrible job. This was what was supposed to be a commonplace book, so this is just the corpse of a commonplace book. It used to stress me out so bad when I'd be in either public places because I don't carry it with me at all times, which is probably the mistake because everybody carries it with them. Either that, or when I was in dark places with no light and like no phone with me, and it used to stress me out so bad when I had a thought but not my book with me, when I was writing in the could not write in the dark or something. So what I started doing was I started keeping one on my Notion, which became the sort of thought dump. And now the thing is, it's just sitting there. The problem is I have a bunch of ideas but there's no execution being done, so it's just I'm dumping them into it. But like, oh well, it's just an idea, well, that exists at least. Anyway, this is dreams and some ideas that I picked up randomly. Let me show you some of it if I can. There's art sprinkled through this. It's basically like a brick wall with silver structures on it for decor, and I thought that was so beautiful, the clashing of those. This book is where I log all of my movies and all of my watches of the year, because on Letterboxd I'm just trying to be cool with my one-liner reviews, but when I do make a video talking about my films of the year or my shows of the year, I do want to remember them in more vivid details so I can tell you why I liked it. Here are some pages, sneak peek, because anyway, a video is gonna come at some point about this. This was just the Super Sons one. I do need to update this. And the last one I wrote down here was the Lego Batman movie. I watched two more Lego Batman movies after that. And then I did watch the drama and also the Devil Wears Prada 2 recently. You tried about that. Now, lastly, for the one that's the closest to my heart, probably, and also the one that has not been updated in the longest time. This. This basically has all my favorite films of the year. I do wish I could do a little all of the books I read in the year, but the numbers are actually absurd, because but then most of it is from all these like one shot yaoi mangas anyway. So there's a lot of bulk and not a lot of quality sometimes, because I read them just for the sake of it. I feel like Jin Yong from One Room TA when he was like, yeah, I'm so just tired from the day. I just want to read something to have fun or whatever. Any this book is about. I can't record all the books I read in the year, and I don't think I even want to. So this is just my favorite reads of the year, because again, I do want to make a video about this, but unfortunately, I remember nothing I read unless I write it down like this. So it's that. For now, we have Little Mushroom, Banana Scandal. Was that I cannot read the other way around. Oh, I can't stand being a childhood friend. Last game. Most of these are rereads. Maybe I should stop including rereads, but it's so fun. It's just that. Wow. Wow, it's just that. It's just one page. Anyway, I think I need to update this. Currently, I'm reading The Sunrise on the Reaping, and that is probably most definitely going to make the list. I think that's about it for this video, though. Another journal I want to start keeping is this Everything About Me journal, where this I saw it in a reel actually, where this girl talked about how you need to write down everything you know about yourself, and I think that's so important, because you know nothing if you don't know yourself. Anyway, so that's another journal I want to start keeping, where you just write down your favorites, your this things that you can learn yourself and figure out how you would react in certain situations, so that you don't ever get swayed when somebody tells you something like, no, you wouldn't do that, because you know yourself the best now. Anyway, that's about it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. This was a very exciting video to film. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Love you.